Yo, we got a lot to cover, so let's get right into it.
How about an organ? Ah, yes. Now we're only hearing one side of it, so we're going to use Ableton Labs Auto Pan plugin. Adjust the amount all the way to 100%. We can even change the rate at which it does that, sync it to tempo even, and then change the shape of it, so how it bounces around our ears and such. Very cool. Now, if you don't have Ableton Live, you can download a free plugin called Pancake 2. Panning puns aside, this one's pretty awesome. You can also change the shape, do everything else we could with the previous example, but you can draw in the shape, which is pretty cool. Alright, now this is the Haas effect. So we're going to take a delay plugin, go from sync to time, set the wet all the way to 100%, change the delay of one channel to 1 millisecond, and the other somewhere in between 15 and 30 milliseconds. I went with 22, sounds pretty thick to me. This can also be accomplished by duplicating the same track, setting one all the way to the left, one all the way to the right, and then adjusting the delay until thickness is achieved. Lastly, we have three very simple plugins. The first is Dimension Expander. It's a chicken, as you can see. This one adds some space. I like it. Next, we have Ozone Imager. Very cool. It gives you visual feedback in various forms. You'll click on the Stereoize button, adjust the width, and then you can see all the blossoming sounds expand before your eyes. Lastly, we have Wider, which not much needs to be said about this.